In the forgotten skies of Noorvana, there's a sacred glowing tree that whispers dreams. Every 1,000 years, this tree chooses one fairy to unlock its secret, but this time it whispers to a human girl by mistake. As the world of fairies panics, the girl must prove her worth, but a jealous shadow fairy tries to stop her, risking the entire magic realm. Can trust, friendship, and courage save both worlds? In the faraway sky realm of Noorvana, where no human had ever gone, lived the Tree of Whispers. It spoke only to fairies, until one silent night it whispered to a human girl for the first time. Meena was sleeping under an old banyan tree in her village when she heard the whisper, "Noorvana calls you." The wind turned golden and carried her into the sky. Arina, the chosen fairy, watched in shock as a human entered the magical border. "No human has ever been here. This is forbidden," she gasped. The elders of Noorvana gathered in the glowing court. "The tree has never whispered to a human," said Elder Lumina, "but we must not ignore the ancient prophecy." Meanwhile, Zargul, the shadow fairy, watched from behind the mirror mist. "A human chosen over me. Never," he whispered, and vanished into the shadows. Arina approached Meena softly. "You were chosen by the tree. That means Noorvana sees something rare in you. Come, I'll show you our world." As Meena walked into the Noorvana Haveli, her heart raced. This place feels like a dream. The marble floor glowed beneath her feet, and the walls shimmered like clouds. "The tree whispered to you for a reason," said Arina. She touched Meena's forehead. Suddenly, glowing lines formed in the air, a map only Meena could read. Far away, deep in the shadows of the black fog cliffs, Zargul summoned a storm. "If the tree trusts her, then I'll make her fail." Arina led Meena to the crystal sky garden, where the first trial awaited. "Only a soul of truth can walk the path of floating petals," said Arina softly. Meena stepped forward. With each honest thought, a petal appeared beneath her feet. But when fear crept in, the petals flickered and vanished. As she reached the end, a soft voice echoed, "You carry light unknown to even the stars." A magical flower bloomed from the sky and floated into her hands. That night, Meena sat by the glowing lake inside the Noorvana Haveli. Her reflection shimmered. But suddenly her mirror image began to speak. "I'm not like her. I don't have wings. I don't belong here," Meena whispered. But her reflection replied, "Magic isn't in wings. It's in what you believe." Meanwhile, Zargul unleashed his shadowbirds into the skies. "Let fear fill her heart. Let her fail the second trial," he hissed into the wind. The next morning, a sky bridge made of glowing glass appeared. It led to the trial of shadows. "You must walk across without letting fear touch your heart," Arina said. As Meena stepped onto the bridge, shadowbirds screeched from below, circling around her. "You'll fall, you're not one of them," they whispered. Meena closed her eyes and breathed deeply. "I believe in me," she whispered. The shadows screamed and vanished. Light burst from the bridge as she ran forward. At the heart of Noorvana, the Tree of Whispers glowed brighter than ever. Meena stepped toward it with the flower in her hands. Arina watched, eyes full of hope. As Meena placed the flower into the tree's heart, light burst across the sky. "She is the bridge between worlds," the tree whispered. "The prophecy is fulfilled." Zargul, watching from the shadows, faded into mist. Noorvana had chosen, and the magic was safe again. If you believe in magic, show your love, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Time for Toons Official, where every story brings wonder to life.